After creating your business manager account and creating your ad account, the next step that we're going to do is that we're going to add a payment method. So to do just that, in the business settings, you will scroll down to payments and you'll arrive at a page like this. And you're going to click on add payment method, and this is where you will add in your credit or debit card. Now, I'm not going to actually put in my own details, but just want to give you a couple of heads up based on my personal experience is that when you add your credit card or debit card for the matter, you might get a small little charge of an equivalent of $1. And that's just Facebook's way of validating and verifying your credit card. So you might get an SMS notification or an email notification about it depending on your arrangement with your credit card company. But not to worry that this amount is refundable to you within the next few working days. So it's just an equivalent of $1 to verify and validate your card. And on a more personal note, if you don't have a credit card, yes, you can add in a debit card, but for security reasons, I would still encourage that you get a credit card eventually, because with a debit card, if anything happens to your account, as in hacking attempts or fraud, you can't really dispute that and you can't fight off the charges unless you deliberately use a virtual credit card or a bank account with not a lot of savings inside. Then that might be okay, all right? But most of the time, I still recommend that you use a credit card or at the very least a virtual credit card, okay? So once you add this in, you will click on continue and you're done, all right?